Okay. We got razor wire. Alright. Oh, God. I don't know anymore. This. Oh, boy. 26 desk plants. How do those scale? I need to figure this out real quick. I need to look up how these scale. I need to know. On the wiki. Oh, man. Oh, no. Okay. Interstellar desk plant. Don't let me down, wiki. Come on. Oh, it increases the radius per stack by 5 meters. It's initially 10, so we're getting 135 meters, I think. That's pretty big. I mean, I still have to kill anything. That's not happening. That's just how it is. This portal's probably not down here. Yeah. I did say no matter what it was, the exchange would happen. I can get hit by something once that isn't going to apply a dot, and I can shoot erase wires everything on the map once. One time. Oh boy, a Forgive Me Please would have been hilarious to get here. Cover the entire area. What map am I gonna be? Oh, we're gonna be stage 3. Oh, that's gonna be rough. I can't kill anything now. I mean, in theory, I could obliterate with this. Yeah.